Social media marketing tools. Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on the essential tools for social media marketing. Introduction to tools for social media marketing. Social media marketing tools play a crucial role in streamlining tasks, analyzing data, and enhancing overall efficiency. In this tutorial, we'll explore a variety of tools that can help you manage, analyze, schedule, and optimize your social media efforts effectively. 1. Social media management tools. Overview. 1. These tools help you manage multiple social media accounts, schedule posts, and engage with your audience from a centralized dashboard. Examples. Hootsuite. 1. Allows scheduling, monitoring, and analyzing social media activities across various platforms. 2. Buffer. 3. Enables you to schedule and analyze posts, ensuring consistent content distribution. 4. Sprout Social. 5. Offers publishing, engagement, and analytics features, suitable for small to large businesses. How to use. 1. Account integration. 2. Connect your social media profiles to the tool. 3. Content scheduling. 4. Create and schedule posts for different platforms in advance. 5. Monitoring. 6. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions from a single dashboard. 7. Analytics. 8. Analyze post performance, engagement metrics, and audience growth. 2. Social media analytics tools. Overview. 1. These tools help you track, measure, and analyze the performance of your social media campaigns and posts. Examples. 1. Google Analytics. 2. Tracks social media referral traffic and user behavior on your website. 3. Sprout Social, analytics feature. 4. Provides in-depth insights into engagement, audience growth, and post performance. 5. Socialbakers. 6. Offers analytics for understanding audience demographics, engagement, and competitor insights. How to use. 1. Integration. 2. Connect your social media accounts or platforms to the analytics tool. 3. Metrics tracking. 4. Monitor key metrics such as likes, shares, comments, and clicks. 5. Audience insights. 6. Analyze demographics, location, and interests of your audience. 7. Performance comparison. 8. Compare the effectiveness of different campaigns and posts. 9. Adjust strategies. 10. Use insights to optimize future campaigns based on what works best. 3. Content creation and design tools. Overview. 1. These tools assist in creating visually appealing graphics, images, videos, and other content for your social media posts. Examples. 1. Canva. 2. Offers customizable templates for designing graphics and images. 3. Adobe Spark. 4. Provides tools for creating stunning visuals and videos. 5. Videoleap. 6. Enables easy video editing and customization for engaging video content. How to use. 1. Choose a template. 2. Select a template or start from scratch for your content. 3. Customize graphics. 4. Add text, images, logos, and other elements to the template. 5. Video editing. 6. Edit and enhance videos by adding effects, transitions, and music. 7. Export and share. 8. Save and download the content in the desired format for posting. 4. Social media advertising tools. Overview. 1. These tools help you create, manage, and optimize social media advertising campaigns. Examples. 1. Facebook Ads Manager. 2. Allows you to create and manage Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. 3. LinkedIn Campaign Manager. 4. Enables you to run targeted ads on LinkedIn. 5. Twitter Ads. 6. Offers tools for promoting tweets and running Twitter ad campaigns. How to use. 1. Campaign creation. Define campaign objectives, audience, budget, and schedule. 2. Ad design. Create visually appealing ad creatives aligned with your goals. 3. Targeting. Specify audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. 4. Ad monitoring. Track performance metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. 5. Optimization. Adjust campaigns based on insights to improve performance. 5. Social listening and monitoring tools. Overview. 1. These tools help you track brand mentions, monitor conversations, and gather insights from social media platforms. Examples. 1. BrandWatch. 2. Offers social listening and analytics for understanding consumer sentiment. 3. TalkWalker. 4. Provides real-time monitoring of brand mentions and social media conversations. 5. Mention. 6. Alerts you whenever your brand or keywords are mentioned on the web. How to use. 1. Set up alerts. Define keywords, hashtags, and brand names for monitoring. 2. Track mentions. Receive notifications when your brand is mentioned on social media. 3. Sentiment analysis. Understand whether mentions are positive, negative, or neutral. 4. Competitor insights. Monitor competitor mentions and track industry trends. Conclusion. These essential tools for social media marketing can significantly enhance your efficiency, effectiveness, and insights. By utilizing social media management, analytics, content creation, advertising, and monitoring tools, you can streamline your efforts, analyze data, engage your audience, and optimize your strategies for successful social media campaigns. Remember that choosing the right tools depends on your business goals, budget, and specific needs.